Here are the situations regarding Bitcoin. I've explained it to you a bit. The way we trade down the line with the initiator that the Crypto-Quebec is easy. So we go up, we come here. You see, here's a low. Here the low is higher. Here the low is higher. Here the low is higher. When we don't lose this low, it stays also. What we do, people say as soon as we see a red candle, we say it's going to go down to 92,000. I can show you everything. It's in my Discord. You see, you have one, as we say, we quit above 92,000. People, you're going a bit fast there. So we need to go back to the beginning. What happened is that we were here, then we're going to make the wicks here. This is yesterday's video. Well, we're going to make the wicks here, which will give 98,000. That didn't exist. This liquidation didn't exist. We were down here, below the middle of the channel. And then we're going to make the wicks that are there, which gives the wicks here on the other side. So that made sense. We even went up to 98,000. That's 500. Exactly. There. You'll see. We're going to make 90,500. When we arrived, there. That's exactly what happened. A kind of little pull. Why? But we make wicks on the side. So we take profits. We took the trade of around 10 here on the 1 hour. We'll see it on the vector. We took the trade here, or here on the vector. We arrive here, a kind of in my space. That's the first thing to understand. We space. Now, the people in the team saw this vector this morning, and we took the trade on the rise. As soon as you arrived at a zone of doubt, you know well. But look at what it gives. In fact, it gives the top of my indicator. I said it. People, when we reach the top of the indicator, it can be a boom. Be careful. In fact, you arrive at the top. You arrive at the second to last line of the indicator. We look at ourselves, we never see it. We came here, we have shadows. We came here, we have shadows.